In today's video, I'm going to teach you WIX website templates, how to choose the right one for your site. We'll build a clean, reusable starting point in WIX so you can confidently apply it to any project and keep your design consistent. Start by opening your browser and heading to wix.com. Sign in or create a free account if you're new. Once you're in, choose Create a New Site. If you're just focusing on design, feel free to skip optional onboarding prompts so you can get straight to the editor. When Wix offers designer-made templates or blank options, choose a blank canvas or start from scratch. This gives you total control over layout and style, ideal when you want a template that truly matches your brand. Click Edit to open the Wix editor or Wix Studio. Both work well, but Studio offers more advanced, reusable tools that are great for templates. Inside the editor, you'll see a default header, a body section, and a footer. That structure is the backbone of a good template. Add more sections as you need from the Add menu so your layout reflects the pages you'll use most often. Drop in your logo by choosing Add, then Image, and uploading it from your computer or media library. Place it in the header and resize it so it's crisp but not overpowering. A high-quality PNG or SVG is best. Add a site title using Add, then Text, and pick a heading style. Edit the text and set your font, color, and size in the text settings. Establishing font pairings and a brand color palette here ensures every new page feels cohesive. Next, add essential actions. Insert a button, place it in your header or main section, change the label to Sign In, and choose a style that matches your brand. In the button settings, add a link and point it to your Sign In page or any page you plan to include. Build out other elements you know you'll reuse, images, galleries, embedded code, blog, or store sections, so your template is practical from day one. Once your header and footer look great, make them reusable. In Wix Studio, save them as global sections so they automatically stay consistent across pages and projects. To save the entire layout as a template, go to Custom Templates in the Studio workspace and select Create Template. Choose to build it from your existing site, then save. Give it a clear name and description so you can find and reuse it easily. Before wrapping up, click Preview to check desktop and mobile, adjust spacing and colors, then hit Publish so your template is ready to use or copy. Congratulations! You've just created a fully reusable Wix template that saves time and keeps your design consistent across projects. Templates are a real game changer for web designers, whether you're building sites for clients or for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.